So as I mentioned in morning meeting, we are going to be writing how-tos today. So what you do in a how-to is you explain to somebody how to do something by writing it down. And it sounds really easy, but it can actually be a little tricky sometimes because it's hard to not forget any steps. So we're gonna do one together by making peanut butter and jelly. And then I'm going to have you guys try one on your own, okay? So, here we go. First, I got out my ingredients, right? So I got my bread, my peanut butter, and my jelly. So I'm going to use the word first. You are going to want to use that word when you go ahead and write as well. So I'm going to write first, get peanut butter, jelly, and 2 slices of bread. Okay, so that was step 1. Now, time to get making. So I'm gonna put some peanut butter on my bread using a knife, right? So I'm going to put my peanut butter on. I'm gonna spread it on. All right, and let's get some jelly. And we'll spread that on. Oh, need a little bit more. Getting to the bottom of our jelly here. Okay, so what do you think my next step should be? What should I write? How about then spread the peanut butter and jelly on the bread with a knife, I'll add. With a knife. Am I done? Is it ready? No, it's not ready yet. It doesn't look like a sandwich, does it? So now I have to put the other piece of bread on top. Boop. So last, put the other piece of bread on top. Okay, so now I just explained how to do a peanut butter and how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I could have gone into a lot more detail, but for today we're just going to do 3 sentences because I feel like that's a reasonable number. What I want you to notice are the words that I used. So I used the word first for my first sentence because you're going to tell whoever it is you're writing to what they need to do first. Then I used the word then. Okay? So first you do this, then you do that. And then I used the word last. Okay? So I gave them their last step. Those words are called transition words, and they are really helpful when you are writing a how-to, when you're explaining to somebody how to do something. And those are the words that I want you to use today when you write. There are other transition words that we're going to learn about, but for today, I want you to use the word first, then, and last, okay? And remember, you're going to be putting a period at the end of each sentence, capitals in the beginning, but you're going to do 3 sentences. Your first sentence will begin with the word first. Your second sentence will begin with the word then. And your third sentence will begin with the word last. And what you guys are going to be writing about today is how to plant grass. Because at this point, you guys have a good idea, right? We get some dirt, you sprinkle grass seed on top, we were giving it water, we were putting it in the sun, and we watched it grow. So you can put together those steps in 3 sentences and write about explaining to somebody how to grow grass, okay? So I want you to do that in your own words. That's why I just kind of quickly went over it. You only need to do 3 sentences, okay? So it doesn't have to be mega super detailed, but I want to see what you guys come up with. So how to plant grass, okay? So think about what you do first. Think about what you do after that. And then what do you do last, okay? So have fun. I'll see you guys later.